Cleaning stalls is not my favorite chore. I'd much rather be playing with the horses, but I do have a few things that I think help make cleaning a little bit easier. So anything that can remove friction is good. One is these DuraForks. I actually got the 3-pack. I like to have extras on hand. I use one for moving hay and one, of course, for cleaning the stalls. And I have a third one that I use actually in my yard for picking up dog doo. So I don't want to mix those. I don't want to use a dirty rake to pull hay out for the horses. So I do really like to have that 3-pack, and you can get them in 3 different colors, which makes it even better. So you can kind of color coordinate or know which one's for hay, which one's for dog poop, and which one's for horse poop. And then the other thing is my gorilla cart. I love this so much more than a regular wheelbarrow because it's stable. I can tow it behind my ATV or lawnmower to clean up around the property a little bit more. It holds a lot more, it dumps a lot easier. So I have 3 equids. I have a donkey and 2 horses, so that's a lot of manure to have to haul around any very, very heavy wheelbarrow that's only on one wheel. This is super stable. It maneuvers very easily, and it dumps easily with just the pull of a lever, just like that, and then locks back down. So 2 tools that make poop cleanup so much easier. I've actually been involved with horses off and on since 1982 or 83, so I have a lot of experience with these kind of manure forks. I used to actually clean stalls to make some extra money. So I've had a little bit of experience and practice with different manure forks, and these are by far my favorite. They're lightweight, the manure slides easily, the tines also slide easily through the different types of bedding, and the spacing is good. I have a miniature horse, so her little droppings are much smaller than a regular size horse. This is them here, and it picks it up just fine. Like, I'm not losing a bunch of manure. I also have a horse track system, and so I pick up manure on the track, whether that's sand footing or like this kind of grassy area, and it works well in there too. And my potbelly pig wanted you to know how great it is for scratching itchy parts. That's just a little added bonus. And then I wanted to show you the gorilla cart here. Mine is the dump style. It's 6 cubic feet and holds 1,200 pounds. The reason I like this one is not just the size capacity here, but the handle flips around and I can attach this to my lawnmower or my ATV. That makes it extremely easy to clean around my track or my dry lot, or to haul bedding or hay, straw, anything that I need. And like I said, with the 4 wheels, it's much more stable than a regular wheelbarrow, and that can be important if you have naughty goats like I do. It also gives great stability when you need to dump things out. So those are 2 of my important recommendations to make cleaning easier. If you like these kind of tips, hit that subscribe button. We don't do things really fancy around here, but we do try to do them efficiently and practically. I usually have links in my description for any of the products that I use. Feel free to check those out. They are truly items we use.